Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, I'm doing another product review, and this time around I'm doing a product review on these particular pair of LED flashlights for Vnina Direct, which I would like to thank for sending these out for a review. And there's a reason why I'm doing a review for these, and you're going to understand why in a moment. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay folks, well, as you can see, the flashlights, when they come to you, they're pretty much going to come into a box like this. Don't let the box fool you. Like I said, you're going to find out why I'm doing this review for these flashlights. So, they basically going to come out to you like this and everything. And now I'm going to go and open it up and see what's on the inside, of course. And of course, they come in a pair of two in a box, just like this. Alright, of course, bubble wrap, which oh man, these things feel rugged already by themselves anyway. Very nice construction too. Okay, well, I'm definitely going to try these out. And of course, the other pair is the same. So you get two of them. You can either keep both or give them away as a gift to somebody, and they appreciate them. Oh boy! I gotta confess, I did try them out before I decided to do the review, just to see how they were like and everything. And the reason I'm doing this review is about what you're about to see in a moment. Is well, check it out. Anyway. Also, they are rechargeable. You can recharge these, and basically use this plug here that comes with it. This USB adapter, and you recharge them. Open the flap right here. Put it in there, like so. See, and of course you get a 5-volt adapter to recharge these. Put this into any 5-volt adapter with this, and you can recharge these. Alright, so now let's get down to the very interesting features of this flashlight. Okay, so well, it's adjustable. And of course it comes with its own battery, a rechargeable battery. And the rechargeable battery pretty much looks like this. I'm about to show you. This is the rechargeable battery it comes with. So it's definitely replaceable as far as the battery is concerned. So that's cool. Alright, let's stick that bad boy right back in there. Now, when you first get these and you want to start using them, the thing you want to do before you start using them is to remove this green piece of paper right here. All this does is keeps the batteries from being used while it's being shipped. Because once you remove this paper right here, which I'm about to do, definitely remember to remove this so you can use the flashlights. And there you go. Expose that, and that will touch that just like a regular battery. Screw that on. My phone is always busy, folks. Alright. Of course, you can clip these on, by the way. You can clip these onto a shirt or something with the clip on here. Alright. Now, I'm going to turn them on. Now, basically what you're going to do is hit this button right here. Turns it on. That's the first one. That's the first setting. That's the brightest setting. Then, of course, hit it again, it dims, see, and then now before I go on to the next setting, if anybody is very sensitive to strobe lights or any kind of rapidly flashing lights of any kind, you may want to look away from the screen for a moment. I'll let you know when I turn the strobe off. Okay? Alright, I'm about to turn the strobe on now. And now I have turned off the strobe. And also turns off the flashlight, by the way, too, when you click on that. Now, the interesting feature that I wanted to show you about these particular pair of flashlights is also that they have an SOS function. Now, what do I mean by that? I'm just going to show you. First, you're going to long press on this button right here for 2 seconds. Of course, turn it off like so, just like that. So they definitely will come in handy. Plus, they're rugged. You can drop these all day, pretty much. I'm pretty sure. They're definitely waterproof. They're adjustable. You can adjust the beam. So maybe let me turn it back on again. You can adjust the beam. Let me do this. See, you can adjust the beam like so to a pinpoint. Do the same thing there. Adjust it out just by pushing it in and out. See? Now, also, what I also wanted to say. Oh yeah. The other thing I wanted to say is I'm gonna wait till it actually gets dark. Totally dark, because right now it's kind of still light outside and everything, so I can't really demonstrate how bright it is right now, but I'm gonna wait till later on. I'm gonna wait till later on to truly try these out, and you get to see how they really look when you're in the dark with them. So stay tuned. Well, folks, right now, as I said before, I was gonna wait till it got really dark and everything, and it's nighttime here now, and the only thing that's got a light in here at all is the viewfinder from this video camera that I'm using. That's about it. And that's barely lighting up anything. So I got the flashlight in my hand and everything, and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna turn it on, and you just see for yourself how bright this is. Here we go. Yeah, it's that bright, folks. This thing right here. It's definitely that bright. I mean, the room, as you saw, the room was really dark. You couldn't see me at all, and you literally can carry this around like a torch. Just point it straight up to a ceiling, as long as it's close enough, and you can walk around all day with this thing on. You know, it's really bright. I'm not gonna point it at the camera because for obvious reasons, but it's cool. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the lowest setting that I had, that I tried to show y'all earlier. I'm gonna put it on the lowest setting. See? Still bright. I mean, it's really bright. And alright, now I'm gonna go for the strobe. As I mentioned earlier, anybody that's sensitive to strobe lights or rapidly flashing lights, have a medical condition that makes you very sensitive to flashing lights, you may want to look away from the screen now. So I'm about to turn it on, and I'm turning on the strobe now. I'm turning off the strobe. Okay, I'm gonna turn the light back on. Alright, that's it. Oh, and last but not least, I'm going to try out the strobe feature. So I'm going to long press for 2 seconds. See? Alright, turn this off. That's it, folks. And that is my review for these flashlights. Oh, I forgot to show you other things. See, I'm supposed to demonstrate. See, right now, that's the wide beam function right there, right? That's wide beam. You can pinpoint it, adjust it like I did earlier. See, I adjusted it, and then I'm gonna wide it out again. And there we go. See? Short, wide. And like I said, you can carry this thing around like a torch, and it'll be more than enough light for you to walk around anywhere and everywhere. Great for emergency lighting. So, well folks, thank you for watching. Oh, you know what? I like this so much though. I'm going to go ahead and provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video. And I'm really impressed with these. So that's why I had to do the video for them. So thank you for watching. And have a great day.